Hello, nature lovers and explorers. Welcome to a special journey through one of Florida's lesser-known treasures, the Fenney Trail in the Villages. Today, we'll take you on a mini adventure through this scenic path that combines the beauty of nature with the peace of a well-preserved ecosystem. The Fenney Trail is more than just a walk in the park. It's a half-mile loop that dives into the heart of Florida's natural heritage. Here, amidst the hustle and bustle of one of America's largest retirement communities, lies a sanctuary for both wildlife and the soul. As we step onto the boardwalk, you're immediately transported into a different world. This trail is built over Fenney Springs, a natural spring that feeds into the Little Withlacoochee River. Say that 3 times fast. The sound of the water gently flowing beneath your feet is just one of many tranquil symphonies you'll hear here. Look around and you'll see a variety of Florida's fauna and flora. The trail is dotted with majestic live oaks, draped in Spanish moss, alongside vibrant wildflowers that attract pollinators like butterflies and bees. Keep your eyes peeled, you might spot a gopher tortoise, one of Florida's native species that calls this preserve home. Every walk here is different. Depending on the season, you'll see different birds, different flowers. It's an ever-changing landscape that keeps bringing us back. And it's not just about the sights, it's the sounds, the smells of nature that you can't find anywhere else in the villages. The trail is not just a pathway, it's an experience designed for all ages. Whether you're here to capture the beauty through photography, to birdwatch, or simply take a quiet moment away from the daily grind, Fenney Trail caters to everyone. It's a place where the community comes together, bound by their love for nature. Let's talk about why this trail is so special. The Villages, known for its active adult lifestyle, has made a conscious effort to preserve these natural areas. The Fenney Trail supports biodiversity, offering a haven for species that are part of Florida's diminishing natural habitats. Here, conservation meets recreation, ensuring that this piece of Florida ecological puzzle remains intact for future generations. As the day turns to evening, the trail transforms. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple reflected in the waters below. It's moments like these that remind us why preserving places like Fenney Trail is crucial. Before we wrap up, a few tips for your visit. The trail is for walking only, no bikes or pets. Please, to protect the wildlife and the vegetation. Also, remember not to leave a trace. Take only pictures, leave only footprints. The Fenney Trail in the Villages is more than just a walk. It's a journey through time, nature, and community spirit. We encourage you to visit, to explore, and to appreciate this slice of untouched Florida. Open from dawn until dusk, why not make this your next adventure? Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you on the trail soon.